Hi everyone, it's me again. I am coming to you live from Massachusetts. So I hope wherever you're at, you're having wonderful weather, you're having some beach time, having some fun. Anyway, I have a sketch card here for you. I belong to a card swap group called Conga. And we sign up for different types of cards every month, and we swap. So this month I signed up for the card sketch, which I showed you in the beginning. I'll show you again too. So I have to make it in that type of style. So I'm using my favorite thing, Stitch Blooms, and they're going to be my focal point. I used various cardstocks from Gina and Simon Says Stamp, and basically my card has 3 pieces that I need to mat. And so I'll be using the papers that I had cut in half and used for the flowers. The other half I'll be using for the mats. Well, they'll be matted. I don't really care for this gold and orange type color in the middle. But, you know, I should have done like a dark pink or a dark color of those two. But anyway, I'm picking out my striped panel. I like black and white with florals. They just, I don't know, it makes it pop. I like the way they look. See, here I am using them panels. I'm matting. I'll mat them, I believe, with black. Yes, with black. So I put those in there with it. I have 3 panels that I need to put on the card to follow the sketch design. And those panels I'm putting away for future cards, future cutouts. I'm using my long Fawn glue, and I'm going to glue in my panel onto my card base. Now I'm using there's my mat. I'm using the black mat to glue the pink piece on there. And I'll be using a ribbon. It's a magenta ribbon from Ellen Hudson. Every time you put an order in with Ellen Hudson, she sends you a little piece of ribbon, length of it. Don't watch me do this bow. It's painful. It's very painful. Don't. Oh, you're watching. Anyhow, yeah, I finally gave up and put my tweezers on there, and it worked after that. But so I futzed with the ribbon for a bit before I finally find the placement I like. I'm very fussy when it comes to bows. I'm going to lay it down with some glue, and then I'll put the ends down with some glue dots. I don't like them just sticking out any direction. They have to be precise. I'm a very precise kind of person. So here's the glue dots. Putting them on. There we go. Now I like it. Now I'm going to use this panel, mat it with white. I'm not sure how well this card was constructed, but you know, I wasn't feeling the mojo, you know what I mean? But I needed to do two sketch cards and get them out. I had signed up for them, and I was running out of time. You only get 15 days to do them, and that's a lot of time. But I was goofing off most of that time doing other things, and I was at the end of the wire. And that particular day that I was trying to get them done, I wasn't feeling very crafty mojo-ish. Is that a word? Mojo-ish? No. Anyway, here I am. I'm going to futz with the flowers. And watch this. I'm going to foam tape the flowers down. Excuse me. Georgie, get off me. My dog's trying to climb me. Look, I'm foam taping the flowers down, and then I try to put them little leaves and twigs in there, and no, because they're foam taped down, so why would they go into there? But I figure it out. There we go. Can't fit it under there. I just had a bugger of a time with this card. I don't know. With the last 2 cards, the other cards that I did recent, Flourishing Fuchsias, I had a hard time with too. I've been plagued with problems with my video camera, not my video camera, my computer, my internet. It's just like one thing right after another that stopped me from being able to do videos and stuff. So I got out of sync to get back in the swing again. So here we are. I finally got my floral placed, and there it is. There's my placement. I'm gluing it all in. Once I get these leaves in, my card will be finished. And I did the peach version of it. Same card, same style, just a peach version. You'll see the picture in a minute. Of course, I'm using Nouveau Glimmer Gloss, Shimmer Gloss. Yeah, that's what it's called, because that's how I roll. I like shimmer. Lots of shimmer. Looking for my sentiment, trying to figure it out. Which one? I do finally figure it out. Here it comes. There it is, just a note. So there's my peach version and my pink version of my sketch card. I hope you enjoyed my card, and if you have, please like and subscribe. I will be coming at you live more frequently with process videos, haul videos. I'm going to be doing a destash video shortly as well. Alright, have a great day. Bye bye now.